Are you tired of your old, unprofessional handle name showing up in every single email you send? You know the one I mean. Maybe it's a nickname from high school, or something you set up years ago and just never got around to fixing. It's embarrassing. But here's the good news. You can change it in under a minute, and I'm going to show you exactly how. We'll walk through signing in, finding the right settings, updating your handle, and then we'll verify that the change actually stuck. Let's get started. First things first, you need to be signed into your Yahoo Mail account on a computer. I've done this on both a Mac and a PC, and the steps are exactly the same. So go ahead and open up your browser, head to Yahoo Mail, and log in if you haven't already. This part's simple, and once you're in, we can move right along. Now, look at the main screen where all your emails are. See that small gear icon down on the right-hand side, sitting just below that top navigation bar? That's the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it, and when you do, a little menu will pop up. From that menu, you're going to want to select More Settings. But wait, not so fast. In my experience, people sometimes miss the next step because it's tucked away. After you click that gear icon, you'll actually see an option that says Personal Settings. That's what we need. Alright, so once you click Personal Settings, you'll see a whole list of different profile options. And here's the really important part. You're looking for a field that says Handle. It's usually right up near the top of that list, but just scroll down a bit if you don't see it immediately. The handle is the name that actually shows up in the From field when someone receives an email from you. So if your current handle is something like SoccerFan2005 or just plain old embarrassing, this is your chance to fix it. Go ahead and click inside that field and delete whatever is there. Now type in your preferred handle. This could be your first and last name, a professional version of your name, or even just your first name if that feels right. I'd recommend keeping it clean and simple, something you'd be happy for a boss or a client to see. Once you've got it typed in, don't forget to click that blue Save button right there. It looks small, but it's powerful. Now, let's make sure it all actually worked. I've seen people skip this step and then get confused later, so don't skip it. Compose a new email to yourself. Just open up a new message, put your own email address in the To field, and send it. Then check your inbox. Open that email and look at who it's from. You should see your brand new handle sitting there nice and polished. It feels good, doesn't it? And that's really all there is to it. From that embarrassing old handle to something you're proud to have people see. Next time you send an email, you'll know it's leaving your inbox with a fresh, professional look. Thanks for sticking with me through this one. If you found it helpful, go ahead and send that first updated email to someone who needed to see it.